Once we've mastered the toe tap, then we go into a simple step up. And so I come up and I come back down. We would typically do a forward step up. And the reason why we do forward first, it's working the glute, the hamstring, the quadricep. It's working those muscles somewhat equally. But then when we turn sideways, we can come down. So now we're starting to work the adductor and abductor. Those are the muscles on the inner and outer thigh. We can hold on to the handrail. And then of course the hardest in the sequence is going to be stepping down. And when we step down, this tends to have a significant quadricep bias. It's more knee extension. If you think about what the leg is doing on the controlled step down, step back, this would be equivalent to being in the gym, sitting on the knee extension machine. Because what's happening is, instead of pushing the weight away on a machine, I'm pushing the ground away from my hip. But this would be more advanced. This would be intermediate. This would be lowest level.